Hi there, my name is Rosalie Brandares, or you can call me Rose. I am 33 years old, living in the province of Bukidnon, Philippines. I am an online seller in our country and I do manage my own social media page. Back then, I worked as a personal assistant and my job was to assist my client in her costume rental business. Honestly, I am a newbie into this freelancing world, but I assure you that I have skills to offer. I am a detail-oriented person. I have time management skills. I know how to manage emails, enter datas, and a knowledge about bookkeeping. Also, I am proficient in Microsoft Office tools and Google Suites. I encourage myself to learn more by doing and following instructions. I can also adapt into a fast-paced environment. I would be glad and grateful if you consider my application. Looking forward to hear from you soon. Thank you and bye-bye.